Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Eureka Forbes Euroclean H1 vacuum cleaner as a blower. So first of all you have to take out this hose pipe from this cavity and put it aside. Then you have to remove this box lid from this side. After removing this panel, you can see the cavity like this, in which you have to put the hose pipe back. So this is our hose pipe main end and we will put it over here. So I have just fixed this hose pipe in this cavity. Now let me show you how this work. So as you can see, when I press the button for the operation, removing all the dust around you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video.